the attacking infantry advances steadily, their elephants having broken the defensive line. The king tries to retreat, but enemy cavalry flanks him. Escape is impossible. But this isn't a real war, it's chess, a game that's been a tool of strategy, a metaphor for life, and a benchmark of genius for over 1,500 years. The earliest records of chess date to the 7th century, but legend places its origins in ancient India. A Gupta prince, after losing his brother in battle, created a game to represent the event for their grieving mother. This game, Chaturanga, introduced pieces with unique movements and a king whose fate determined victory. As chess spread, it changed. In Persia, it became Shatranj, and terms like Shah became chess. When it reached the Arab world, chess transcended strategy, it became a symbol of power and politics. By the time it reached Europe, chess took on its modern form, with the queen replacing the weaker advisor piece, making the game faster and more dynamic. During the Enlightenment, chess left royal courts and found its way into coffeehouses, where it became a symbol of creativity and bold ideas. In the famous Immortal game, Adolf Anderssen sacrificed major pieces to pull off a legendary checkmate. But as competitive play rose in the late 19th century, strategic calculation began to dominate. In the 20th century, chess took on a geopolitical significance. The Soviet Union dominated, but in 1997, the world of chess changed forever. Garry Kasparov, the reigning world champion, was defeated by IBM's Deep Blue, a machine, marking the rise of artificial intelligence in chess. Today, computers consistently defeat the best human players. But just like the game they've mastered, these machines are products of human ingenuity. Chess, after all, is not just about strategy, it's about creativity, adaptation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.